What if your grocery store holds the secret to scrubbing plaque from your arteries? No surgery required. Today, we're exposing 5 explosive fruits that melt cholesterol, boost blood flow, and flood your body with artery-loving vitamins. Oh, and fruit number 2 works in just 4 hours, proven by research. Ready to heal? Let's dive in. First up, the ruby red warrior your heart craves. Pomegranate, the antioxidant powerhouse. This jewel-like fruit is bursting with antioxidants and vitamin C. Studies reveal that pomegranate juice can significantly lower blood pressure and improve arterial health. To reap its benefits, try adding fresh pomegranate seeds to your yogurt or salad for a refreshing crunch. Next, berries, the inflammation assassins. But wait, these tiny bombs are heart-saving ninjas. Berries, particularly blueberries and strawberries. These superfruits are loaded with antioxidants, vitamin C and K, and fiber. Research indicates that the anthocyanins in berries can help reduce arterial stiffness and inflammation. Incorporating a handful of berries into your morning smoothie or enjoying them as a snack are simple, yet effective ways to harness their benefits. Moving on, meet avocado. Rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, avocados are a treasure trove of potassium and vitamins E, K, and B6. Studies have shown that regular avocado consumption can lower bad cholesterol levels, positively impacting heart health. To incorporate this creamy delight into your diet, consider adding it to salads, spreads, or simply enjoying it on toast. Now meet the crunchy classic that scrubs arteries clean. Apples, the fiber-fueled cleaner. High in fiber and vitamin C, apples also contain polyphenols, which have been linked to heart health. Research suggests that the soluble fiber found in apples, particularly pectin, can help reduce cholesterol levels, making them an excellent choice for heart health. A simple way to enjoy apples is by snacking on them raw or baking them with cinnamon for a wholesome dessert. Finally, nature's candy that fights plaque like a boss. Grapefruit, the resveratrol revolution. This citrus wonder is rich in vitamins A and C, and research indicates that it can lower cholesterol and improve overall heart health. Grapefruit can be enjoyed fresh, juiced, or added to salads for a zesty kick. Embracing these 5 fruits isn't just about indulging in delicious flavors. It's about making informed dietary choices that promote cardiovascular well-being. By integrating avocado, berries, pomegranate, apples, and grapefruit into your daily routine, you're taking proactive steps toward a healthier heart. Boom, there you have it. Which of these artery-scrubbing fruits are you adding to your cart first? Drop a comment below, and if you're ready to ditch statins and heal naturally, hit subscribe and smash that notification bell. Your heart deserves this revolution. Stay fierce, stay proactive, stay fruity. And you can watch more of our videos somewhere here.